All right, Jeffrey, here's your 582 big block Chevrolet. Give you a description that's coming in. It's got a set of our As-Cast heads on it. Got the Holley manifold, the Holley Terminator X system, great system. Custom grind hydraulic roller, kind of changed it around for you. You want a little bit more grumpy. It's got Moroso oil pan. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,300, 703 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 724, pretty good. Peak horsepower 759. So right at 700. Like I said, change the camera around. Got the new cylinder head on it, so it's a pretty nice unit. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple of things. You got to. You receive your didn't find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It will have some information on it. It'll have your engine number. That's the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code. That'll take you some more tech stuff. So have a great day.